about. Good morning, guys. My name is Al. My company name is A&A Masonry. I'm here in Connecticut. I'm here at another job site. I'm gonna do some repair here. Hammer here to widen this up a little bit, and then I'm gonna fill it out with concrete. The same thing here on the inside of the house, on the garage. It's coming all across here. I'm just gonna widen that up a little bit more and then fill it out with some hydraulic cement. Alright, same thing here. I widen this up. I'm gonna fill it with hydraulic cement. I'm gonna get a pick. I'm gonna dig a little bit deeper there. I can go probably another foot or so. Alright, so that's what I have so far. Should be real good. Before I use hydraulic cement, I'm gonna just clean this up. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna start repairing this crack here. I just winded it up earlier, and I'm gonna use some hydraulic cement to fill this crack here. First I'm gonna use with a brush some concrete bonding adhesive. So I'm gonna brush that off so the concrete will adhere better to the existing concrete. This way the brush will clean off any debris that are inside. I also mixed up some concrete, and I also added, which is a hydraulic cement, and I also added a little bit of bonding agent too, to make it a little bit better to adhere to the existing concrete. So I'll probably start from the bottom. So just squeeze the cement inside. And later I'm going to use a trowel to smooth it out. So continue same process up to the top. I'll let it dry a little bit more. All right, it's good for now. We'll let it dry a little bit more, and I use probably a sponge with water to smooth it out. All right, see if we can get a better angle here.